Welcome to another vlog. Well, is it a vlog? I don't know, but it's a good one. I'm going to show you that you can actually boil your roasting breadfruit. This is a trend I see. Well, I've only seen one video with somebody showing that you can actually boil a roasting breadfruit. I'm going to show you whether or not it's possible, whether or not it works, and I think it's going to be a good one, so just come with me. Come for the ride, come on over. By the way, I'm Joe, one half of the twins, Joleisa. I hope that you're happy with what you see today. I know you will be happy. Please remember to like the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends. And also, if you're not yet a subscriber, please do remember to subscribe. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much. See you soon. So to actually roast this breadfruit, not roast, I'm going to be boiling it. I'm going to cut out I don't know if you can see the stem. Hopefully, yeah. It's a bit there, the stem. It's a short bit that's left in there, but I think I'm going to cut a little piece out. Guys, remember, I've never done this before. Never, ever. But the lady did say, don't cut too deep in, or else the water is going to soak in. So I've cut that little bit out. And that's what's left. Can you see that? Yeah. She did say don't cut too much out, or else the water is going to seep in. And that's going to let the breadfruit sort of seem boiled rather than roasted. She did hers for I think 50 minutes or more. I'm not sure. But I'm going to give this, I say 45 minutes. So I'm going to do 22 or so minutes on each side. So I'll fill my pan up with water. I'll show you. I'll fill the pan up with water, put it on to boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to immerse the breadfruit in, and then I'll turn it halfway through. Give it another 25 minutes or 22 minutes, and we'll see. It should feel soft, I think, if you want to know if it's done. We'll see. We're doing it together. So pan on to boil. High flame, because I need it to boil as fast as can, so I'll put it on high. And no salt. I'm not adding any salt to the pan, okay? Lid on. That's it. We'll wait. Okay, water is boiling, so it's time to add my breadfruit to it. I'll show you. So there, it's quite a big pan. Boiling. And breadfruit's going in. I think it's going to float once you put it in. I think I'm going to put the kettle on with some more water and add some more water to it. Or it might be fine. I'll leave it to boil. Put the lid back on. And I'll set the timer for 22 minutes. Yeah. I just heard the timer, so 22 minutes have gone, so I'm going to turn the breadfruit over. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and my aim is to turn it over, give it 22 minutes more, and then check to see if it's done. I don't know how I'll tell if it's done, since I've never ever done this, but come on, we'll see. We'll learn together, and I'm sure after this you're gonna want to make your breadfruit this way, especially those of you who live overseas or live in countries where you're not allowed to just make up a big fire outside in your back garden or backyard to make to roast breadfruit or to cook outdoors. We can't just get up and do that. We can use coal on a well, we've got grill pans, jerk pans outside, but right now it's way too cold for that. So let's show you what the breadfruit looks like now. It's bubbling, a bubbling, a bubbling. I hope you can see it. It's sort of spinning itself in the water. The water looks slightly yellow now, slightly greenish. The side that was under looked cleaner than it did before it went in. So it's turned over now. It's tempting to turn back over where it was, but yeah, I'm hoping it will stay on this side now and let this side cook. So I'm going to set the timer for another 22 minutes. Remember, mine weighed 1 kg. Oh. So we'll see. Put the lid back on and let it do its thing. Right, guys, I've just heard the alarm again. So the timer, the 22 minutes, the second set of 22 minutes are now up. So I'm going to check on it. I don't know how to tell if it's done. You can tell I'm a novice when it comes to cooking breadfruit, but I've come up with the idea of inserting this knife right down in the heart, what they call the heart of the breadfruit. If it goes in nice and easy, smooth, no bumps, no toughness, I'm going to assume it's done. But if it's hard and hard to push the knife through, I'm going to assume it needs some more time. So come and I'll show you what it looks like now. Okay, most of the water gone. Most of the water has been reduced. Oh, not only that, it has turned over on, you know, the bit where I've cut the stem out. So that was sideways for both halves of the time, but now I notice it's on the bottom now. It's on the stem bit, and I didn't turn it that way, so I suppose it has righted itself. Oh, the skin feels sort of soft. I'm going to try to get into the heart of it. I can see there's water in it. I want to try to get the knife in. Alright guys, I'm going to check it and let you know. It still feels hard to me. So I'm going to try to put it back on that stem bit. Maybe give it another 10 minutes and see. Alright, back on. Some more hot water in. And 10 minutes. Yes. It's looking good. Leave it to cool down a bit, I think. Yeah, it smells like roast breadfruit. It feels soft enough. We'll see. Alright, put it to cool. And there he is. cooling his head off. I'm going to leave it to cool enough for me to be able to handle it, to try to peel it, something which I've never done before, because as you know, I've never roasted a breadfruit before. But there it is. I'll come back when I'm peeling it. The moment of truth, I'm going to peel the breadfruit. I've left it to cool for about 15 minutes. It feels manageable. Where do they start from? Is it top? Is it this side?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It looked the part.
Wow.
It does look the part.
Yeah. The skin feels paper thin. It really is piping hot though. Alright, we'll have to speed up this bit. You don't need to see all of the peeling.
Look just like roast breadfruit.
So next thing I think they do this.
Cut it in quarters.
And then they do something like this.
Cut out the heart. Yes.
And then they slice it up.
Did you have a plate?
Yeah. But I should have tasted it, and I think.
Yeah, man.
If I remember what roast breadfruit tastes like.
Tasty.
It is roast breadfruit. And it turn. Your turn.
This is lunch, I think, today.
Alright. I'm going to plate up some and show you guys our roast breadfruit with some ackee and saltfish.
And only thing missing,
A peg of pear.
avocado.
A peg of pear.
Right, next time you see it, it will be a plate of roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish.